Hi everyone! This 100 plus page Opinion Writing 101 unit covers everything you'll need to teach opinion writing in 6 weeks. I've done the lesson planning to make your life easier. Included in this comprehensive unit are the following: 6 weeks of detailed lesson plans. Each day's lesson plan includes a learning target, directions, teacher modeling, active engagement, partner work, independent writing tasks, and a closure activity. An opinion pretest is included as well as a post-test, so you can measure growth. All directions, scoring rubrics, and links to materials are also included. 3 formative assessment quizzes and rubrics are included for you to use throughout the unit to keep your students on task and so you can offer feedback on their writing before the post-test. This unit also includes 10 exit slip response prompts that you can use to determine who needs more help with a specific skill. And the best part about this unit is that it includes a 48-page student booklet. These pages allow students to practice the daily learning targets before trying them in their own writing. The pages serve as a mini textbook and will help your students keep their ideas and work organized. And to make your life easier, I've also included 24 teacher slides that you can project for each learning target. These slides will help keep your students engaged and your lessons focused. And lastly, vocabulary lessons and 10 word wall cards are included to prep your students for state testing. Your writers won't do well in the big test if they don't know what the test is asking them to do. This unit is designed to take 6 weeks, and having all of the work done for you is well worth the $12 price. If you love this unit, you can also check out my free Paragraph Writing 101 mini unit and my Informational Writing 101, Literary Essay 101, and Personal Narrative Memoir 101 units in my TPT store. Enjoy!